Hi sisters, so today we have this look. I'm going to be showing you guys another look with the James Charles and Morphe palette. This one has more reds and I really like it. Well, just more red. And it has some blue on the waterline, so I'm really feeling this look. If you guys want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. If you want to see my first look, I'll link it down below. To conceal my eyes, I'm using the MAC Select Cover Up in NC15. Taking this all the way up right here. So I'm going to start with this shade right here. So I'm going to just blend this all the way up to my brow bone almost. Just back and forth all the way up here. I love that they have this kind of a shade in the palette so you can transition your reds really nicely. So I'm just going to blend out these edges on this side so they blend really nice into the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to take the red and I'm going to start applying that right here and blend the two together. I'm just going to keep layering the red until I get the intensity I'm looking for, and then blending that out like here. When you blend it out, you do lose some intensity, but you can just pack on some more and then build that up to get it to be as vibrant as you want it to be. I'm gonna add some more to the outer portion. Just blend that. Okay, my camera just died. Well, my memory card was full, so it stopped recording. And I have no idea where it stopped. I think you guys saw this part though. So I'm just gonna blend that high up into my brow bone. And I just blend that in. Blend, blend, blend. Blend it out. Make sure your hands are tired of you blending. And that's when you know you're done. That's when you know. Actually go a little bit more and then you're done. So I'm just gonna pat the red right on the border of that eyeshadow and then blend that in like this. So they blend together. Shouldn't be a big deal since they're kind of very similar in shade wise. So blend that together. I'm gonna take the big brush again and then I'm gonna blend these two together like this. I'm gonna add some more red to make it a little bit more intense. I'm blending this out really lightly because the heavier you go, the more pigment you lose. So just go really lightly. A lot of blending going on here. A lot of blending. You might get arthritis. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna use a flat brush and I'm gonna just start pressing this eyeshadow on my lid like that. I did wet the brush earlier with just like a face setting spray. It makes the colors so much more vibrant and it takes away fallout. So I love wetting my shadows. I took a little bit more red on this big brush. I'm just gonna blend that right into the crease. And do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now I'm going to work on the lower lash line. I'm going to take some more of my concealer, apply to the lower lash line because I want to add some shadows down here. And I want them to pop. So we're just going to add some concealer down here. Why do I hear a helicopter right now? It's like very late. So next we're going to use some blue shades. I wanted to add some blue to my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm going to start with the first blue shade and apply that right here. Oh. It would be nice if you could see what I'm doing. Alright, this is a pretty blue. This is a very pretty color. blue number 1. The next blue, this shade is a little bit more like sky blue. And then finally, we're going to use a deeper blue for the outer section. I'm going to take that blue and I'm also going to wrap this around everything. So like I'm going to just bring it under the other blues. So next I'm going to take some of this shade and just apply this in the center right here. You can see it. So I wanted to add a little bit of glitter. I have these two. I'm going to use this one. I'm using the Too Faced glitter glue. I'm going to add a little bit more of the first shade right over the glitter to like turn it into more like a pink situation. And then I'm going to add some of this other glitter from MAC. Woo! Alright, so I'm going to add some lashes and mascara. I'm going to use Morphe Bronzer in Showman's to contour. I love it. This is one of my favorite contour powders. I'm going to keep everything else pretty like neutral since there's so much going on up here. And for highlight, I'm going to use the Ofra and Nikki tutorials in Blind to Haters, one of my favorites. So for my lips, I'm going to take Anastasia lipstick in Nude. Oh, she nude. This is a very nude color. So I'm going to top it off with Pat McGrath Gloss in Flesh Astral. And alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I threw on everything and I love this look. It's definitely different for me using blues and reds and glitter, and I really like the way it turned out. So hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and share this video with a friend, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Alright, y'all.